Hey guys, today I have a beautiful 2023 Kenworth W900L. Truck comes equipped with a Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, has 179,000 miles on it. It's an 18-speed manual transmission, has a 336 gear ratio, air slide fifth wheel, and a crazy long 315-inch wheelbase. So 86-inch sleeper, guys, double bunk. It's got a couch in there, diamond tuck interior, and just so many extras. There's a remaining warranty on this truck, so guys, check out the video. You guys won't be disappointed. Enjoy, and I'll catch you at the end. Hey everybody, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, guys, beautiful truck. Give me a call. I know it won't last long. And I look forward to catching you guys on the next one. Happy trucking.